Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and clearing immediate hurdles. First, check that your Croma TV supports Miracast or has Chromecast built in. This matters because protocols differ. Once done, make sure both the TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi band too, 4 or 5 GHz, to avoid discovery issues. Now open the TV settings, go to Network and Connectivity, and turn on Screen Mirroring. This primes the TV to accept connections and shows the device list when you proceed. Next, you initiate the cast from your source. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast, allow nearby device scanning, then select your Croma TV name. On Windows, open Action Center, choose Project, then connect to a wireless display and pick the TV. This uses Miracast. If you use an iPhone, select Screen Mirroring in Control Center and choose the TV only if it supports AirPlay. Otherwise, use a Chromecast dongle on the TV. Keep an eye on prompts asking to allow or confirm the connection. Finally, complete the connection and verify playback. When the TV shows a connection prompt, accept it, then play a video to confirm audio and picture sync. If you notice lag, stuttering, or disconnection, switch the source or TV to the other Wi-Fi band, move devices closer, and close background apps to reduce interference. If the TV never appears, restart both devices and check for firmware updates. This often resolves driver or protocol mismatches and restores a reliable mirroring session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.